Hello everyone. Today I wanted to do 3 example solves from a solver like me who averages roughly mid-tens. All the scrambles will be in the description, so let's just do this one. So here's the scramble here. Let's have a look around. So what I'm immediately seeing here is this yellow cross. The cross pieces are here, 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 and here. But the white cross doesn't. The white cross can also have something. So the cross pieces are here, 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 and here. I think I'd probably go for the white cross here, doing this. So F prime. U, then to get that lined up with there I do L F prime to solve these two relative to green, then U prime R2. I don't do D prime F2 because U prime R2 is more ergonomic for me personally. Then I do a D2 to align the cross here. Then what I do is look for my first pair. The blue-orange pair stands out to me the most because the edge is right here and it's oriented. You can tell by looking at this sticker and the center here, and the corner is right here. So what I would do here is U, R, U prime, R prime. Then the slot is over here, so I would do a double insert like this. Then I would probably go for the red-green pair here. So I do U, L prime, U, L to split up the pair here, and do U prime, L prime, U, L, insert like this. What I would go for then is the green-orange pair to do a back insert after I rotate. So I do R, U prime, R prime, then Y prime to have the split pair set up here to be inserted in the back. Then U prime, R prime, U prime, R. To have that inserted there. Then this pair is really easy, it's just double left sexy like this. Then for this OLL, you can see it's this one, I would do a U2, then I do this alg. Now I would look around the cube here for any signs of PLL, so I would notice these headlights and this bar here to know it's an RB perm. Then I would AUF to start, do the alg, and that is the solve, no AUF. So let's look at scramble 2. So I messed up on scrambling there. Nope, I messed that up again. Let me try and solve that. Don't pay attention to this. Try that again. So yeah, once again, all the scrambles will be in description. So we've got the scramble here. So right now, what I'm looking at is the white cross standing out to me really obviously. So the cross pieces are here, 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 and here. So what I would immediately do is L R prime to get the blue cross in, and then the red and green inserted like this, lined up like this to be inserted with F R prime here. This sets up a block here, but I didn't inspect the X cross because I'm not very good at that, so I will have just completely disregarded it. Then I would do a D2 to place these 3 cross pieces properly, then do an F2 right here, because if you remember the white orange edge was up here, so right here. Then I think right now I would go for the blue-orange since the edge is right in front of me here. So the corner is here, do U2, RU R prime. Then the next pair that stands out to me the most is the blue-red pair right here. So what I would probably do is L, U prime, L, U2 to get it set up like this. So edge here, corner here, then do L prime, U2, L to get it set up into a 3 mover in the back, R prime, U prime, R. To insert it in the back. Now I go for the green orange pair here because that's what stands out to me the most, because the edge is here, corner is here, so it's just a simple double sexy move. and I'd rotate to have the green red pair on the left, and I use this alg. Then it's the same OLL as fast scramble. Then this one's simple, just a JB perm with a U prime AUF, and that is solve number 2. Let's get on with the third scramble. So all scrambles are in the description. So just inspecting it now, this is kind of a tough scramble for me. I think I'm going to go for white again. Cross pieces are here, 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 and here. And what I do is an R prime D to put it in the back, then to do L2, R2 to put orange and red like this. Then DR to sort out these 3 cross pieces and insert the green. Then what is probably best to do, what I would probably do now is the blue-red pair like this. The corner is back here. So I do L, U2, then cancel into the insert, because if I just put it up like this, I've got this here, but I could cancel into it like this. Then I would go for the orange-green pair. Corner is right here, so U prime, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U, R, like this. Then blue-orange would be my next bet. So, and I can do keyhole with this. So I would move, so since this corner slot's open, I would bring that to the back there and insert the edge as to not disrupt what was there already. So that's inserted, D2, that solves the pair. Then we have this case on here, so I would do that into the back using this alg, R, U2, R, R prime, U2, R, U, R prime, U prime, R. Then this is a pretty easy OLL. I use the RUF version. Then looking around, this is a GB perm. So I would do a U prime to pre-AUF, and using this sticker, I could tell it would be a U prime AUF. So I use, then that is the third solve. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the example solves. I hope you got something out of that. And yeah, if you have any requests for any other events you want me to do example solves for, then just put them in the comments and I will read whatever I can. Yeah, thanks for watching.